Situated 297 kilometers from Pune, the journey to Sherlin Monta is one of relaxed enjoyment, boasting of unparalleled scenic beauty. Be it the smooth roads of the highways or the ghats, the journey is an unforgettable experience where rains liven up the hillside and mists breathe nature in its entirety. In close proximity to Sherlin Monta are countless waterfalls and vast expansive beaches that bask in their virgin beauty. Situated nearby, Ganpati Phule attracts tourists from all over India who come to enjoy the beaches and pay homage to the Ganpati Phule temple. Being well connected by roads and railways, the journey from Pune is both pleasant and rejuvenating as you reach the gates of Sherlin Monta. The lakes at Sherlin Monta are the highlight of this project. We offer you the diversity of enjoying your sunny and somber days, be it the boating across a landscape streaked in moonlight or simply sitting by the lake sipping a hot cup of coffee while casually flicking through a novel stirring your imagination. The Sherlin Monta project began 4 years back, and after the initial plotting, development work began in full swing. The idea was a new one, to combine the feel of a resort and the homeliness of bungalows. And that's exactly what Sherlin Monta becomes, a home away from home. Each bungalow has an RCC frame structure built with laterite stone or cheera, a famous stone found only in the Konkan. Powder-coated aluminum sliding windows and granite kitchen platforms with stainless steel sinks assure you of the highest quality. The finished bungalows will be well fitted with modern amenities and contain every facility a person could want, while maintaining an environment that pleases the inward eye. The clubhouse is where the fun begins. Hosting a wide array of facilities, it serves as an ideal recreational center for people of all ages. Be it just a simple dining experience or the thrills of a sport, the list is endless, presenting a platform where sport mingles with art and creativity and transitions to the uplifting power of music and meditation that revitalizes the body, mind, and soul. Outdoor activities include volleyball, basketball, tennis courts, swimming pool, adventure sports, and a lot more. The invigorating Konkan air melded with the symphony of birds provides a wake-up call like none other. The guest houses blend perfectly with the surroundings while maintaining the original flavor of the land. The guest rooms are simple and elegant, artfully finished to ensure that even working at home becomes an enjoyable pastime. At Sherlin Monta, we have attempted to keep alive classic Konkan architecture by giving it a rustic feel. Tradition here mingles with everyday life as we understand the importance of remaining rooted to our culture. The lawns inside Sherlin Monta breathe life into your morning walks by surrounding you with greenery, adding color to even the dullest of days. Experience the joy of icy cold water gushing over your feet, mesmerizing your senses. Sherlin Monta assures you a home away from home, combining the bliss of nature with modern amenities, providing the best of facilities tailor-made for your comfort.